So here we're recreating the Conflict Vietnam tactical map in Arma 2 in the single-player Mission Editor, and it's not completed yet, but you can see how the capture points are arranged relatively the same. Here's the U.S. headquarters here, and so these are at current count about the 45 U.S. players that are supposed to attend. And so here we have the capture points, LP11, LP12, LP13, the second string, LP21, 22, and 23, the third string, LP31, LP32, LP33, and this is supposed to be so that Josh Thigpen, the North Vietnamese commander, can do some runs through simulated, albeit compressed time-wise, scenario where the U.S. advances and tries to take these capture points. And hopefully he'll be able to command the different squads, tell them where to go, as he will do once on the field at Conflict Vietnam. Up here will be the North Vietnamese headquarters. Here are the two capture points that the VC and the SOG will want to take. So it's just a couple skips until you get to the enemy base via that route. So anyway, that's that for now, and I'll record any updates on it I come up with.